Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to recover deleted messages on Telegram if you delete some of your messages by mistake. So first of all, you should go to Telegram, open it, and after that go to settings in the bottom of the screen. After that, scroll down until you will find an option called data and storage. Go to it. And after that, go to storage usage, click on it. And as you can see, you will find here all the storage used by the app on your phone. So what you should do here is you should go to that auto remove cached media option and go click on them one by one and turn them all to never. So like this, you will keep your, like for the stories, it's not possible, but like that, you will keep all of your data the maximum possible of time. So after that, you have just to go to check on your iPhone that the data is like backed up on your iCloud, and to do this you have just to go to settings, and after that go and click on your name on the top of the screen. After that, go and click on iCloud, and after that go where there is that saved to iCloud, click on see all and scroll down and be sure that you will find Telegram activated. And what does that mean? It means that everything your iPhone do a backup from your messages on Telegram is sent directly to your iCloud space. So after that, if you have deleted some messages by mistake and you didn't do the new backup to iCloud, because if you do the new backup to iCloud, you will lose those messages even from your backup. But if you didn't do the backup yet, you should just go to and delete the app, the Telegram app from your phone. And to delete it, you have just to long press on it and click remove app and delete the app. And after that, install the app again. And like that, you will, or the backup from your iCloud will be installed in your app, and you will recover your deleted messages if you, like I said, if you deleted some messages by mistake. And there is also another option. The other option is like if you just delete the message just like this. Let me go to messages. If you delete a message like this, like long press and after that click on delete it, you will have 5 seconds to recover your message or recover like the messages from that conversation. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next